Example 5.1. Consider a parallel plate capacitor which is connected to an 230 volt RMS value and 50 Hz frequency. If the separation distance between the plates of the capacitor and the area of the plates are 1 millimeter and 20 centimeters square respectively, calculate the displacement current at time t is equal to 1 second. Now here it is a parallel plate capacitor and it is connected to a 230 volt RMS. So here V RMS is given as 230 volt and the frequency is given as 50 Hz. Okay. The separation of distance between the plates is given as 1 millimeter and area of the plate. So it is 1 millimeter is equal to what? 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. And the area of the plate is given as 20 centimeters square. So it is 20 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. Okay. Now we have to find out the displacement current. We have to find out what? Displacement current. So we have, before finding displacement current, I have to find out the potential. The potential difference between the plates of the capacitor. So I have to use the formula V is equal to V maximum into sine omega t. Okay. Now what is V maximum? V maximum is equal to V RMS into root 2. Okay, so that we can write V is equal to V RMS root 2 sine omega is 2 pi f into t. Okay, so I can going to substitute here. Here V RMS is 230 into root 2 sine 2 pi, frequency is 50 into time t. Okay, so this can be written as 230 into root 2 is 325 sine 100 pi t. This is your V value. This is your what? V value. You have got it. Now we have to find out the displacement current. So displacement current is given by the formula ID. ID is equal to epsilon 0 into d phi E by dt. What is phi E? Phi E is equal to E into A. Okay, so you can write epsilon 0 is equal to d E A by dt. Why we are writing EA? Phi E is equal to, flux is equal to E into A. Okay. I am going to substitute E is equal to V by D. So this can be written as ID is equal to epsilon 0 d of V by D into A by dt. So this can be written as epsilon 0 A by D into dV by dt. Okay. Now I am going to substitute. So epsilon 0 A by D into d by dt of, here V. V is what? 325 sine 100 pi t. Now if you differentiate this, epsilon 0 A by D, 325, differential of sine pi t is cos pi t. So it is cos 100 pi t into 100 pi. Okay. That is differential of 100 pi t is 100 pi. So this is epsilon 0 A by D, 325 cos 100 pi t into 100 pi. Now I am going to substitute the values. So I know the value for epsilon 0. Epsilon 0 is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into area is given in the problem 20 into 10 raised to minus 4 into, okay, 325 into 100 pi into cos 100 pi, t value is 1. T value is what? 1. By your d. D is what? 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. 1 millimeter. So it is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Now this can be again written as 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 20 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 325 into 100 into 3.15 into cos 100 pi is 1. That is cos n pi is equal to 1. So here it is 1 by 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Now if I multiply these values, 8.85 into 20 into 325 into 3.14, the powers can be written as 10 raised to minus 12, 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 square. Here into 10 raised to 3. The denominator we are bringing it up as 10 raised to 3. So if you multiply this value, you will be getting as 180,628.5 into these powers we can write minus 16 plus 5. So it is 10 raised to minus 11. So this is 1.81 into 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to minus 11. So this can be written as 1.81 into 10 raised to minus 6. So we are finding the displacement current ID. ID is equal to 1.81. 10 raised to minus 6 can be written as micro. So it is 1.81 micro ampere.